All right. Today we got the drive shaft hooked up back there with the right U-joint. We got it kind of mocked up here. We got this. That's not a stabilizer bearing. I don't know what they could call it. But anyway, that's going to get mounted this way, you know, to keep it up, and then obviously we're going to go there. But we got to get different caps because that one's a different size. And by the way, we got a new carrier bearing right here, and we're going to stick that on after we get everything going because I don't want to waste resources on doing that. And then Connor wanted to get our AC going here.
Oh yeah.
And there it is. Because it's Texas and today it's like 90. It feels like 90 in here. So we got our little portable air conditioning from Brenna and Cody. They left it here. We're using it.
What does swing do?
It makes it go up and down. Yeah, now he's playing with the remote.
I thought it would go left to right.
No, how's it going to go left to right?
Well, up and down is more of a flap than a swing.
So the other day we did get the brakes bled all the way. Here's our other drive shaft, by the way. There's the end of it. We did get the brakes bled. What else did we do the other day, Connor? Took off all this stuff so I could take it to O'Reilly's, all the drive shaft stuff. We did get a new bottle. I guess we could probably put that in today. See where it might go. It's just a hangout bottle for catching that stuff. But until we get finalized, it's going to be kind of temporary. But anyway, we're moving along with the 84 later.